Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine and you are safe at home. Good. Welcome back to the math class. Come on, let's do a quick revision. Let's revise. Yes. In the previous class, we did missing numbers, remember? Yes. Let's see the first question. Write the missing numbers of 234 and 237. What comes in between? There are two options. 234 and 237. What comes in between these numbers? Yes. Is it A, 235, 236 or B, 213 and 214? Yes. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is 234, 235, 236 and 237. Yes, that is why kids, I told you, always learn the counting nicely. Okay, then only you will remember how to do this. Okay, so counting is very important. Let's see the next question. Write the missing numbers of 689, 690 and then two blanks are there. 689 and 690. What will come after that? 691, 692 or 690 and 691? What is the correct answer? 691 and 692. Very good. So let's start with today's topic. Yes. Now kids, today's topic is how to put the correct sign. How to put the correct sign. Equal to, when we put equal to, 6 equals 6. When both the numbers are same. When both the numbers are same, we put an equal sign. What is it? E-Q-U-A-L. Equal sign. 6 equals 6. Both are same. So we put the sign equal. What is it? Equal. Let's see the next one. Now see, here it is 6 and 2. Which is the biggest number? Which is the greatest number? Remember we did ring the, previously you have done ring greater and smaller number. So you know which is greater number, 6 or 2? 6. So when we put the greater than sign, it is like this. 6 is greater than 2. 6 is greater than 2. Let's see the next one. 2 is less than 6. So we will put the sign like this. The less than sign is like this. Okay. So 2 is less than 6. 6 is equal to 6. Here 6 is greater than 2. And here 2 is less than 6. Okay kids, this is how we compare numbers to each other. We are trying to compare the numbers. We are trying to see that which number is big, which number is small, right? Yes. Now let's see. Let's try to do this because you've already done this, so it will be easy for you. Just now I told you how to put the correct sign. So here, 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. See the next one. 4 and 6. What it will be? 4 is less than 6 because 6 is the greatest number. Then 8 is greater than 7 because 8 here is the big number. 8 is here the big number, greater number. So 8 is greater than 7. What is the next one? Yes, you tell me. You think what will be the sign for the next question? 4 and 4? Very good. Equal. 4 equal 4. See the next one. 7 and 3. Which is the greater one? 7. So what will be the sign? 7 is greater than 3. 3 is less than 5. 4 is less than 6. 8 is greater than 7. 4 is equal to 4 and 7 is greater than 3. Yes, let's check another question. Greater than, less than or equal? Yes. See the first one. Concentrate. First one is 65 and 18. 65 and 18. 65 is greater than 18. Very good. Let's see the next one. 12 and 24. 12 is big or small? It's small. So we will write that 12 is less than 24. Next is 16 and 78. 16 is less than 78. Next, 87 and 78. 87 is big? Yes, the number is big. So 87 is greater than 78. See the next one. 57 and 90. 57 is less than 90. Very good. Then the next one. 11 and 11. Easy. It's equal to sign. Yes, you're correct. Next. 90 and 71. 90 is big number. So we will say that 90 is greater than 71. Very good. Next, 12 and 45. 12 is small. So you will say that 12 is less than 45. 43 and 29. 43 is greater than 29. Yes. Next, 20 and 30. 20 is small. So we will say that 20 is less than 30. Next, 15 and 76. 15 is less than 76. Next, 28 and 39. 28 is small, so it is less. So 28 is less than 39. Next, 99 and 97. So 99 is greater than 97. Next, 31 and 28. 31 is greater than 28. 23, 29. 23 is less than 29. Very good. Then 10 and 11. Yes, what will be the answer? 10 is less than 11. So I hope you're trying to understand. Okay, when the first number you see is big, then you will put the greater than sign. And if you see that the first number is small than the second number, then you will put the less than sign. And when both the numbers are equal, you will put the equal sign. Okay, kids? See here, put the correct sign. 110 and 101. 110 is greater than 101. Yes, 110 is greater than 101. Okay, see the next one. Number 2. 215 is greater than 250. 215 is greater than 250. Yes. Next is 181 is equal to 181. Yes. So I hope you understand. So again, kids, I will always tell you, always try to learn the counting. All this is related. When you know the counting, when big numbers are coming, like in 1 to 100, 90 is big and 20 is small, right? So like that, you must know the counting. When you know the counting, then this will be easy for you to understand. Yes. So this is all about your chapter. We did today put the correct sign. How you're going to put the correct sign, right? So you must try to do what we have done in the class today. Okay? Till then, take care and we'll meet soon for the next class. Bye-bye.